Hello my friend. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. Here are example photo before and after using 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃. So, now let's get started. At first open your application Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import your photos in application. Select a picture. Go to the light panel. Exposure to 0.40. And contrast to -24. Highlight to 54. Shadows to -64. Whites to -8. And blacks to -12. Now go to the 𝗂𝗆𝗆𝗁 tone. Follow these steps. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Temp go to 30. And vibrance to 6. Now go to the mix tool. First orange color. Hue to -8. Saturation to -16. Go to yellow color. And just the hue -100. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -34. Go to green color. And just the hue -100. And saturation to -100. And luminance to -100. Go to purple color. And just the hue -100. Saturation to -100. Lastly go to magenta color. And just the hue 60. Saturation to 48. And click Done. Now go to Effect panel. Clarity to 44. Vignette -40. Feather 47. Now go to details. Sharpening to 4. Color noise reduction to 2. Detail to 53. And smoothness to 54. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.